Your dashboard is your hub. Access Z reports instantly for critical daily financial insights. Define your report period effortlessly. Select custom date ranges using the intuitive calendar for flexible sales analysis. After setting your dates, review them carefully. Click the filter button to process your selection, ensuring you view precise data for accurate financial analysis. Beyond date ranges, filter by specific shifts for granular control. This pinpoints performance trends for individual operational periods, optimizing your business management efficiently. The Z Report provides a comprehensive breakdown of your sales, cash, card, and gross. Easily see discounts, net sales, and sales by menu for clear revenue insights. It also details tax collected and refunds issued, ensuring complete financial transparency. Dive into operational metrics with transaction statistics, including average sales and customer counts. The cash drawer summary tracks opening balances, cash added, paid out, and overshort amounts, ensuring seamless reconciliation and robust financial oversight. Need a physical copy? The print function generates a clear Z Report preview. Review details before printing, ensuring accurate records. Beyond printing, easily export Z reports for digital archiving or analysis. This flexibility streamlines auditing and empowers data-driven decisions.